Hey there, beautiful people. If you've been feeling like pain or discomfort is keeping you from staying active, this video is for you. Today we are talking about low-impact workouts that are gentle, fun, and designed to get you moving without making the pain worse. Let's show our bodies the love they deserve. Let's start with some steps. 1. Start with gentle stretches. First up, let's talk about stretches. Stretching is like giving your muscles a warm hug. It improves flexibility, increases blood flow, and helps reduce stiffness. Start with neck rolls, shoulder shrugs, and gentle side stretches. For your lower body, try seated hamstring stretches or butterfly stretches. These are perfect if you're dealing with joint pain or stiffness. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. You are not just moving your body, you are nurturing it. Take it one breath at a time. Here are a few steps to follow. Dynamic range of motion stretches do 8 to 10 reps of each move, repeating on the opposite side if necessary. You can do one, some, or all of these stretches daily. Do not force any of the moves. If a particular joint or movement is too painful, skip it. Ankle circles, sit or stand, hold on to something for balance, and raise one foot off the floor. Draw clockwise circles with your toes. Repeat with the opposite foot. Then repeat with each foot, drawing counterclockwise circles. Arm circles, sit or stand with your arms extended out to your sides at shoulder height. Rotate your arms forward, drawing circles with your fingertips. Repeat rotating your arms backwards. Leg swing, stand tall and hold on to something sturdy. Gently swing one leg forward and back in a comfortable range of motion. If this is too difficult, simply tap your foot in front of you and behind you without raising it in the air. Cat-cow, get down on all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Tuck your chin and tailbone and round your spine, pulling your belly button in toward your spine. Cat. Then reverse the motion, lifting your head, chest, and tailbone toward the ceiling and arching your back, dropping your belly toward the floor. Cow. If getting down on the floor is not comfortable, you can do this move while sitting with your hands on your thighs. Point and flex your feet, press your toes away from you, then pull them toward you. You can do one foot at a time or both. Leg extension, bend your legs so your feet are flat on the bed. Extend one leg, raising your foot off the bed until your leg is straight, or as far as you can comfortably straighten it, without locking your knee. Then slowly lower. You can alternate legs or do all reps with one leg and then switch. Knee hugs with legs bent or straight, bend one leg and bring your knee toward you. Gently grasp your leg with your hands for a little assistance. Then slowly release. You can alternate legs or do all reps with one leg and then switch. Torso twist, bend your legs so your feet are flat on the bed. Slowly lower both knees to one side. Then raise them back to the center and slowly lower them to the opposite side. If you cannot go all the way down to the bed on one or both sides, place pillows on either side to make the move easier and more comfortable. Arm sweep lie with your arms down at your sides, palms up. Slowly sweep your arms out to the sides and raise them overhead. Then lower them back to your sides. Keep your arms in contact with the bed the entire time. Tap and reach lie with your arms down at your sides, palms up. Bend your elbows, tap your hands on your shoulders, and then extend your arms overhead. Reverse the movement, bringing your arms back down at your sides. Head turns. Turn your head to look to the right side. Return to center. Turn and look to your left. Wrist circles, sitting or standing, rotate your wrists, drawing circles with your fingers. Repeat in the opposite direction. Ball hugs. Sitting or standing, bring your arms in front of you and round your upper body as if you are hugging a big beach ball. Then open your arms wide out to your sides, lifting your chest and squeezing your shoulder blades. Side leg swing, stand tall and hold on to something sturdy. Gently swing one leg out to the side and then across your body in front of you in a comfortable range of motion. If this is too difficult, simply tap your foot side to side without raising it in the air. Torso twist sit or stand with your arms extended in front of you at shoulder height. Bend your right elbow and pull that arm back, rotating your torso to the right. Return to the starting position and repeat with your left arm, rotating to the left. Hip circles, stand with your hands on your hips. Rotate your hips clockwise and then counterclockwise. Glute kickstand, holding onto a chair or counter. Shift your weight to your left leg and bend your right knee, raising your right foot behind you toward your buttock. Slowly lower. Repeat with your left leg. 2. Water workouts, your joint's best friend. Next, let's talk about water workouts. Water is like magic for your joints. It supports your weight and reduces impact, making it perfect if you have knee or hip pain. Water exercise puts more resistance on your muscles. It takes more effort to walk from one side of the pool to the other in the water than it does out of the water. That's because water provides greater resistance than air, up to 12 times more, says Dr. Mulcahy. Resistance to your movements not only helps strengthen muscles, but also burns more calories to help you lose weight faster. The faster you move, the higher the resistance. Water exercise boosts cardiovascular fitness. Water exercise works your whole body in multiple directions and promotes smooth movements instead of quick, jerky motions, says Dr. Mulcahy. It also allows you to work at a higher level than you could tolerate on land, which helps improve mobility and strengthen cardiovascular endurance. Patients with chronic joint conditions often say they feel free from their disability when in the water. 3. Chair yoga for comfort and strength. Don't underestimate the power of chair yoga. This low-impact exercise is great for improving flexibility and calming your mind. Start with seated cat-cow stretches for your spine, then move into gentle twists. Even a simple seated forward fold can help release tension in your lower back. Chair yoga proves you don't have to get on the floor to feel the flow. Feel that? That's your body saying, thank you. 4. Walking, the underrated hero. Walking might seem basic, but it is a game changer. It is gentle on your body, easy to customize, and free. Start small, maybe 10 minutes around the block. Add some music or a podcast to make it fun. Walking not only boosts your mood, but also keeps your joints and muscles happy. Every step is a step toward feeling better. So lace up those sneakers and let's hit the pavement. 5. Pilates. Core love without the strain. Pilates is all about controlled movements and building core strength without stressing your joints. Start with exercises like pelvic tilts or leg slides. These are easy on your back and hips while strengthening your muscles. Remember, Pilates is not a race. Move at your own pace and focus on your breathing. You've got this. 6. Resistance band workouts. Resistance bands are your new best friend. They are super versatile and gentle on your joints. Try seated rows, lateral leg lifts, or bicep curls. These moves help build strength without overloading your body. Plus, resistance bands are portable, so you can work out anytime, anywhere. Strength doesn't have to hurt. It can feel empowering. 7. Cycling. Smooth rides for a stronger you. Cycling is low impact and easy on your joints while giving you an amazing cardio workout. If you have access to a stationary bike, start with a slow, steady pace. Prefer outdoor cycling? Choose a flat path to keep things easy. With every pedal, you are strengthening your legs and improving your endurance. Feel that breeze? That's freedom! 8. Tai Chi, flow like water. Tai Chi is like a moving meditation. It is all about slow, flowing movements that promote balance and relaxation. Start with simple poses like grasping the bird's tail or wave hands like clouds. These moves improve your posture, reduce stress, and are gentle on your body. Think of it as a dance of peace, graceful, calm, and oh so soothing. Benefits of Tai Chi. Matthew Bossman, 38, of Palm Springs, California, started taking Tai Chi classes after back surgery. Bosman's surgery, as well as his psoriatic arthritis, PSA, and osteoarthritis, OA, left him unable to continue his vigorous gym workout routine. I was looking for something low impact and not going to hurt, says Bosman, who now takes 2 45-minute Tai Chi classes each week. Tai Chi is very calming and peaceful. Tai Chi also offers plenty of other benefits. Recent studies have found that the slow, graceful exercise, which originated centuries ago as a martial art, can improve balance, reduce stress, and offer arthritis pain relief. A study released by researchers at Tufts Medical Center in Boston, Massachusetts, found that Tai Chi could specifically reduce the pain and physical impairment of people with severe knee OA. Betty Broderick, 67, of Cathedral City, California, acknowledges that she and her classmates might have looked silly when they were first learning their Tai Chi poses. When we're in a room with mirrors, you can see how dorky you look, she says, admitting she prefers when the instructor takes the students outdoors for class. But awkwardness aside, Broderick credits regular Tai Chi classes for decreasing pain from knee OA and a long bout with polymyalgia rheumatica. I can do things I didn't think were possible before, she says, happy that she can now take long walks and be on her feet without having to stop because of aching joints. I can't say enough about Tai Chi. It changed my life. 9. Dance your heart out. Who says workouts can't be fun? Dancing is an amazing way to stay active, boost your mood, and forget you're exercising. Pick your favorite tunes, let loose, and move in a way that feels good. Whether it is salsa, hip-hop, or just freestyle, dancing is all about joy. No pressure, just vibes. 10. Modify and listen to your body. Finally, remember this. It is your workout. Modify any exercise to suit your needs. If something doesn't feel right, stop and adjust. Your body is your partner in this journey. Treat it with kindness and respect. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. You're doing amazing, do not forget that. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with someone who might need a little motivation. Let's keep moving forward together. See you next time.